Naval power used to be measured in tonnage, steel hulls, missile tubes, and air wings. Then something much smaller arrived, and fleets began behaving very differently. For most of modern history, navies operated under a simple assumption. Large ships controlled the sea. Smaller threats could be detected, deterred, or destroyed at range. That assumption depended on visibility and warning. Modern naval warfare is expensive. Ships take years to build and decades to replace. Every loss carries political and strategic consequences. Defending against low cost. Disposable threats was never the priority. Uncrewed surface and subsurface drones changed the equation. Small, cheap, difficult to detect. They didn't need to sink ships to be effective. They only needed to threaten them. Once deployed, these systems forced fleets to adapt. Shipping lanes shifted, port access tightened. Defensive patrols expanded. The cost imbalance became impossible to ignore. A single drone could force a capital ship to reroute. Naval doctrine began to change. Presence replaced dominance. Avoidance replaced engagement. Control of the sea became conditional. Analysts expect these systems to grow more autonomous, more coordinated, and harder to attribute. Naval power is no longer just about what you can destroy. It's about what you can make too risky to approach. No shots were fired, no fleets were lost, and naval warfare quietly changed.